Hello friends, we just went to the Paisley Museum. We could not film much, but let me rewind and just show you what we could film. Hi, we're at Paisley Park at Prince's. This was one of Justin's gifts for me. Sorry, it's so dark, but they finally gave our phones back. Hey, he did his own makeup. I didn't know that. I love it. It's like a concert experience.
That concert is in here.
Oh my god! Alright, they turned on more lights. It was a great experience. The girl that was our tour guide, she like knew everything, and I asked her the weirdest question. I was like, where did Prince like to eat here in Minnesota? You know, his house looks like an industrial building. And oh, I got this drink. It's called Purple Rain Iced Latte. It do be tasting like lavender. I see why they call it that. Oh, and I found out when I asked about what does Prince like to eat around here, she was like, I really don't know the answer. And so she asked her coworkers, and they said that a lot of people ate at this place called Perkins, which was like a cafe that is now closed around the Chanhassen. What else? Oh, they said that he likes caribou coffee and that he was vegetarian. And then we learned some facts. Oh my god! The recording studio, guess what? You know who I love, Kevin Campbell. Oh no, Tevin Campbell. Why did I say Kevin Campbell? Yeah, he recorded I'm Ready there. I'm not sure if my brother's a fan of Prince, but I know my sister would definitely be down to go. So when they visit, oh baby, I'm gonna take them. Hi, Sunrise. You guys know he's a vocal cat. Nothing's wrong with him. He just wants food all the time after his colon cancer surgery. He's like 24/9, like literally hungry all the time. It's distracting, huh? When will my siblings visit? Honestly, I don't know. Whenever they want to, whenever their schedule allows. My sister is now a full-time registered nurse. My brother has a full-time job as well. It's honestly whenever they want. So I don't know. When is Susan and David visiting? Also, I don't know. I just wanted to answer those questions because you guys ask all the time, like we've been living here for like a year and like they haven't visited yet. Like, come on, y'all. It's been 2 months. Anyways, we have downtime today. That's all we're doing for the day. So I thought it would be a good time for me to get my nails done because they're growing a little bit. They're a little longer than I like. And I'm done with red because that was my Christmas nail, and now I kind of want to go like white, pearly white, but not like the chrome or pink, because pink is neutral. We're filming with a brand tomorrow, and I want the nail color to be something that I can like have for a long time in case we have to reshoot. Look at the sun. Do you see it? It is shining, but I'm also sad at the same time because the snow has melted, and I like the snow, to be honest. It's 45 degrees, so that doesn't require like a puffer. Anyways, the kids are at home with Justin. I'm getting my nails done. I think I mentioned that. Yeah, we'll figure out the color. I do like cat eye, so we'll see. Well, girl, we'll see. Hello, friends. I've been back for a few hours. Just forgot to vlog. I got this color. It looks brighter than you can see, but it's like Mod About You pink. I love that. It's like to me it's like a neutral, and it's so much shorter, thank goodness. Like my nails were getting long and I like them a little shorter, but I like them pointy. But yeah, that's what I picked for this time around. There was this lady who was next to me, and oh my gosh, I heard, like, I was nosy, you know, you just be sitting there listening. She came 2 hours away to get her nails done because she's so picky. Girl, the way I would only go the distance, like max 30 minutes. Like, what? Why would you drive 2 hours away for your nails? But I get it because some people fly for their eyebrow microblading, but that's different. Nails is just nails, but you know what? Everyone likes different things, but I was just stunned. Like, I was like, okay. I made pico, which my aunties would call something else. No, not tupig. What is it, honey? Bibinka. Oh, bibinka. It's Justin's favorite. I was on the phone with Susan on Christmas, and she told me she made pico, and I was like, what is pico? And so pico is what my Ilocano aunties call bibingka. It's just a different name. But pico is the sticky rice. Let me show you. This looks good, and I tasted a little bit, just like the top, and it tastes good. It tastes just like the way my auntie Sisa would make. Oh, and can I show you this? Sharon. Ay, gulay sitaw. I freaked out. I'm sorry, you guys. I'm sorry if I got loud. It's just that I freaked out. My bad. I wanted to share. Sharon got me this. Sharon and Steve, thank you. I am so touched because this is the ultimate Minnesota cookie book. But wait, there's more. There is so much more. You have to see. Hold on. First of all, let me find the first page. Did I skip? I got a signature. I got an autograph. Sharon said she went to the bookstore and they were signing it. That is the nicest thing ever. I'm so touched. This is what it is. It's like coconut milk and rice. So this is what it's looking like. Just like my auntie would make. Let me get my taste tester to try unless he's paying attention to the game. Let's see.
That's excellent.
Thank you.
Great work, honey.
Thank you. I was copying Susan because she made some too.
Yummy.
This is really good.
Thank you. Jakey likes it too, and Liam says it was good. All right, my baby taste tester. What are you doing?
I like squishing it. It's
Oh.
so satisfying.
Oh.
Like they do for cat food in the morning.
Oh my! But Jakey, this is not cat food, honey. We don't squish it. Ay, gulay sitaw. Does it taste good? Can I try it squish style? Can I have a bite? I don't know about that. Uh-oh, where's Charlie? Because that's Charlie's bed. Uh-oh. You have one too. We have like 2 heated beds because the third one, Bob won't sleep on. Hello, friends. How are you? Happy... Girl, I can't keep track of the days because it's that in-between Christmas, New Year situation. Today's the 29th, so happy whatever the 29th is. We filmed a fun video game sponsorship today. It was very fast and it was very fun for the boys because they're just playing video games. And you know, we only do a little bit with them because we want it to be whatever they like. They had a blast. My favorite is like any cooking related kind. We're gonna go get some lunch though because we're hungry. We're going to Culver's and we're gonna try their ice cream. We're here. Jakey gets the butterfly shrimp. Liam gets the chicken tenders and fries. Justin and I love the fish sandwich. I heard that their ice cream here is good. I like mine. I just got a plain because I just look at Mr. Nuts. Wow, what is that, caramel?
No, peanut butter.
Oh my gosh. How about yours, boys? That looks yummy. Lunch was delicious. Culver's is my favorite, like, new fast food kind of restaurant. I know we really want to take care of the baby. We texted. I don't think it's going to happen, but we keep trying just in case. Jessica's not feeling well, and so we just want to help her, you know? I really want to just take care of the baby, but it's okay. We'll see them in a few days.
Are you big back?
I do. Excuse me. We don't say big back.
Big back, big.
That's helpless. No, Bob. Did you do this? I have never had this happen with my kitties. Chawwise, what's the matter? You have your own water. You didn't have to do this. I pick up the pieces first, but hopefully I get all of this. But I told the boys to wear their slippers from now on. Let me move these chairs. I got one hand on the camera. And yeah, let me go ahead and just clean this. Hello, friends. I'm just sitting here with Mr. Bob. I love how much they love to sit with me. I think it's because we're by the fireplace. But every time I try to edit any type of thing, on this seat, Charlie says, nah, girl, this is my chair. Get off this chair or I'll sit on you. And every time he does it, every single time. Oh my gosh, my pajamas are so cute. I just felt like wearing pajamas, like, even though it's just 5 p.m. I showered already and put on my jammies. It's just one of those days, like, the only outing was Culver's. It says, I love sleep. It's from David and Susan. I love it. I know who loves sleep. Mr. Bob, of all kitties, loves sleep. you guys may or may not believe in this, so please don't fight me when I share this because I'm excited about it. But Justin got me a reading for Christmas. He got me all the things that I love, you know? And Sharon went to this like group reading a while ago. I think it was like over the summer, and she told me about it, and I was like so into it. I was like, what else did she say? And like Sharon's not into that. She's not into the readings, but she was like, oh my gosh, like the stuff was accurate. And so I told Justin, like, I would love a reading now that we live in Minnesota, but I just didn't know when. And he gave that to me for Christmas. He said, all you have to do is give her a call and schedule it. My reading isn't until like mid-January. That's how busy she is. But she does a recording. And the reason why I remembered is because she says you can bring like your pets into a room and you can communicate with your pets. And so I want to like, I don't know, I want to like know more about my pets. Because I love them. Oh, hi baby. Look, Sunrise is missing out. He's like, how come? Oh, look how lucky I am. I've got all three. I have all three with me. How lucky. I love you. My babies are playing, and Justin is catching up with one of his friends. I love how he catches up with his friends because I have a harder time catching up with my friends. I feel like they're always like busy and there's like no time to schedule a phone call. And I always feel like I want to open myself to them, and I'm always like available. Like if they want to give me a date, I'm down, you know, but I don't know. Justin, how was it? Or sorry. Justin's pouring himself a glass of wine.
Look at that little kitty.
We were playing some board games and I was lying down watching the craziness, and Charlie said, I'm gonna lie down on you. He did this. He got on top and he said, let me just chill on you. Hi buddy. Hi. I think he was trying to eat my stuff. My little things.
Wait, is that a Tic Tac?
It's these from the game.
I got Mr. Big Boy Bob right here sitting behind us. Bob likes being our pillow. I don't know. He comes and he sits right behind our head. It's so funny.
Here you go.
Morning friends. I'm over here peeling potatoes because I'm making latkes for the family Hanukkah party. Christmas and Hanukkah was on the same day, but Hanukkah is 8 nights and we're doing a separate Hanukkah party. And you know, I volunteered to do it here, but Sharon was like, no, we'll have it at my house. And I still want to do the latkes, so that's what I'm doing. So I have 5 pounds of russet, but then here's the thing. I have leftover Yukon, and what am I, like, hopefully it'll still be okay for me to use it because the recipe says russet. You think it's okay if I use some leftover Yukon potatoes? Justin's looking at me like, I don't know. Well, the Yukon ones I can keep at home, but then the russet we'll bring to your family. I'd like to officially ask, am I an honorary Jewish bubby? Because the thing is, I'm out here grading the latkes like a G. And you know, my man is honorary Pinoy because the way he loves my culture like so much. And I love Justin's family so much. I mean, I moved here for them. This is how much I made so far. Justin got me this flatbread from Caribou Coffee when he got me some Caribou Coffee earlier. It's delightful. With some crystal hot sauce. Delightful. I use the same oil to fry up some chicken for arroz caldo, because why not? I cleaned the oven. It looks so good. And you know what else I had to do? I had to do my little air freshener because the house was smelling like deep fried everything. Chicken, latkes. This is cinnamon, cloves, lemon zest, water, nutmeg, and a little bit of vanilla extract. Hi friends, I have bad news. I feel really bad. So today is the Hanukkah party. Yesterday I was making all the latkes. And then I froze them because Sharon mentioned that's like the best way to do it is to make the latkes ahead, freeze it, and then when you reheat, it's not soggy. And so that's what I did, and I was so excited. I like went crazy this year because it was going to be our first Hanukkah with the family, first time while living here but it's okay because Justin's gonna go. And he's gonna bring all the latkes for the family and all the other foods that we're gonna bring. Because with latkes, you gotta bring the applesauce. So I got applesauce, I got the sour cream. We got a cake that we catered for Christmas. They gave us 2 and it's still good. Green beans she can heat up too because it's brand new green beans. What else? I guess I could send them off with these cookies too, but I had baked these cookies, the peanut butter blossom again, and the Neiman Marcus. Well, I say Nemus. Well, Nemus Marcus cookies. It'll be our inside joke. Nemus, not Neiman. His name is now Nemus. Anyways, yeah, I baked some of these. And when I say bake, I didn't like mix the flour and all of that. I did that like before Christmas. So what I do is I save the dough, but I roll the dough so that whenever I have guests over or want a cookie, all I have to do is grab one of the circles and bake it. But girl, one, do you know me? I'll be doing a dozen. And so that's what I did. How convenient is that? So these Neiman Marcus cookies, girl, that recipe lasted me forever. The Nemus. Nemus. But anyways, yeah, kind of a sad Hanukkah celebration because we were really excited. Aunt Julie and Uncle Bob even flew out, but they're coming to our house to see the house just for a little bit. That's why I've got this, and they're coming after lunch. So I figured after lunch, the best thing to do is just do dessert. See, I don't even know what I'm talking about, girl. I'm sad for my jiggeroonie, but I'm gonna have him open all his gifts at home, and then when he gets gifts from family, Justin will take it home and he can open those. And I did go crazy. So for Hanukkah, the kids open a present, 1 gift for 8 days. Well, we've been forgetting to do that. So they have a bunch of gifts to open. And when I mean like 8 gifts, they're not like crazy big expensive gifts. You know, like something helpful like snow pants, I got them 1. Or like a gator to keep them warm, like because they have only like a few and I want them to always be warm at school. Uncle Bob and Aunt Julie are visiting from Chicago. I know that they just got lunch with our other uncle and aunt, so I did a dessert board instead of a charcuterie. I miss you guys. Have fun.
I'll stay home.
No, baby, you go. You take Liam. No, you take them. Bring the gifts. I love you. Love you, my bubbles. Have fun. So earlier today, Uncle Bob and Aunt Julie came. They visited from Chicago. They're staying with Sharon. They stopped by and we got to chat with them and give them a tour of our house. And then Sophia actually came. They brought Sophie girl. So that was awesome. I got to see my Sophie girl. And they gave us a housewarming gift, which was so nice. They gave us a snow cone machine. And let me tell you, we used it real quick. All the kids got to have some snow cones. I guess the popular one that they like is the blue raspberry. Yeah, it's just me and Jakey now. I asked him what he wanted for dinner because I was like, you can have whatever you want. I'll DoorDash it. He wanted ramen, so that's what we're having. I got dinner with my baby. He really wanted ramen, which is going to be really good for him. And I love that this ramen place, they put the toppings not in the mixture because Jacob doesn't like any of the toppings. But he sure does love his edamame. Here you go, Baba. Right there.
Thank you.
I also got these deep fried shrimp, like croquette things. And then I also got a ramen too. Yay, Hanukkah presents. Jakey, do you want to go do it on the couch by the fireplace with the cat? Or just here?
I do it here.
Okay, wherever you like.